So before Fastrack, I was just in and out of education for the whole time. I struggled with finding out where I wanted to go and what I wanted to be.
I worked since I was young and I was in mental health services, working, assisting people. I wasn't sure what I needed to do until my baby son was born, and that was the first time I was in the theatre, operating theatre. I just loved the experience.
I come from a background where we didn't really go to school, or we struggled with it. So they basically told me that this is a way that I can go fulfill my career and do what I want to do without having to go through A-levels and that stress again.
It allowed you to prepare ourselves to higher education, like active listening, note-taking, referencing, academic writing. These are the subjects I had no clue, to put in layman's term. I had no clue. Doing little and often for the 7 weeks massively increased not only my self-confidence. I was aware of what needs to be done in higher education wise.
So I struggled with education quite a lot because I never got an education healthcare plan. The first day that I came to Fastrack, even before I got accepted, I got sat down by a specific inclusion team member, and they sat me down and told me, "You tell us what we need to do to help you." And that really helped improve my confidence. It actually helped me learn to speak with people, because being diagnosed with autism at quite a late age, I could never talk to people because I never got the support for it. The inclusion team here actually sat me down and taught me how to speak to people and how to communicate with people on and off my course. When I actually got into first year, I found out that I was miles ahead of everyone else because I had already learnt these skills, and I knew how to do the things that a lot of other people didn't. So it actually, if anything, propelled me forward and actually helped me get better grades versus than if I would have come in another route.
The reward is just beyond I could explain in words. I hope as the years to come, this will help a lot more people. I think University is doing a great job.